another video. Today we are going to be doing 3 super filling recipes for under 300 calories. Yes, you heard that right. You can eat a pound of these recipes each for under 300 calories. Before I jump into the recipes, I just want to mention that this weekend only, we are having 40% off all of our ebooks. That means you can get my best-selling weight loss guide, Lean and Clean, for only $17. You can also get my Whole Foods recipe book, Real Food, Real Simple, with over 80 delicious plant-based recipes to satisfy your soul. Yes, girl. This book is on sale from $18 to only $11 this weekend. You can also get my epic vegan pressure cooking instant pot recipe book that has over 30 delicious, super easy vegan instant pot recipes. All Whole Foods plant-based, oil-free for only 10 bucks this weekend. And lastly, my newest book, Let's Get Saucy, has over 55 Whole Foods plant-based, oil-free, mind-blowing vegan sauces for only 6 bucks. $6. And if you guys don't have any of our books, you can get all of them for only 38 bucks this weekend. That is a dang good deal. We don't do sales super often, so if you've been interested in getting any of our books, this is the time to do it. I will leave the link down below, the first link in the description box for you guys. Now that my little sales pitch is over, I just want to say that before I jump into these, this has been really the key to my weight loss over the years and keeping the weight off. I personally am a volume eater. I love to eat a lot of food, and the good thing about eating a Whole Foods plant-based diet is that it's very low in calorie density. So today we're going to be adding a bunch of vegetables into our meals, keep the oil out, the sugars out, everything that's really calorie dense, and we're able to eat a lot of food for very little calories. That's the key to losing weight on a Whole Foods plant-based diet. A lot of people think like calories on a vegan diet don't matter. They do matter. They do. I mean, I've had personal experience with this. I've gained weight on a vegan diet. I've lost weight on a vegan diet. And every time that my weight has gone up, it is when I've abandoned the calorie density. Oatmeal's done. And whenever I've gained weight, it is when I've abandoned the calorie density principles and just kind of eaten like more junk food and lots of nuts and lots of more calorie dense foods. But whenever I eat with calorie density in mind and I cook super filling meals that have a lot of volume to them, it's very, very easy for me to maintain a slim, lean body weight. So as always, all the calories, macros, recipes, ingredients, everything that you will need to know will be down in the description box. Let's get into the recipes. cups of berries. These were frozen berries that I had, which just helps it cool down really easily, but you can add fresh berries or whatever kind of other fruit that you like just to sweeten it a bit. So I personally like to eat this plain because it's really low in calorie density, and I, like I said, love huge meals, but my husband would not eat this the way that it is. So you can always add different toppings to it. Since it's only 300 calories per bowl, you can add in some coconut, peanut butter, maple syrup if you want it a little bit sweeter, or any other toppings that you like, and you're still gonna come in like around 500 calories for a meal, which is pretty good for a pound of food.
delicious on its own. It has a lot of good flavor in there. Another thing that I like to do though is eat it with a side of rice and put some like hummus or cashew sour cream on top. Makes it really, really good. But get creative. You can put it over potatoes, put it on all different kinds of stuff. Potatoes, we're going to put about 2 to 3 inches of water in the bottom of our Instant Pot and add a steamer tray. So personally, I like to add a steamer tray whenever I am cooking potatoes or steaming anything, obviously. But for mashed potatoes, if you cook them in the water, they do get really watery because they take on a lot of the water that's in the pot. If you steam them, they just get really soft, which is why I like to use red potatoes. They're super creamy and they don't feel like watery when you mash them together. We're going to be adding in a half a head of cauliflower that we chopped up. Cauliflower is great to add to lots of recipes just because it's really low in calories. It has a lot of nutrients in it. Even though it's a white food, it's super good for you. Put the top on manual pressure once again and steam these for 10 minutes and let them naturally release. You're going to take out the steamer tray and dump out the water and then just dump everything back into your Instant Pot. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. You could also sub this for nutritional yeast. We're We're gonna add in the juice of 1 lemon and then half a cup of organic non-sweetened soy milk. Just mash that all together really easily. This is a really great side dish, but personally, like, me and my husband love to just eat huge bowls of mashed potatoes. I feel like that's a vegan thing, I don't know. But before I went vegan, I would never just eat like plates of mashed potatoes by themselves, even though I've always loved mashed potatoes. Long story short, you can use this as a side dish. You can eat it